Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. Fall is here, fall is near, and I feel like fall is the best because you could do whatever you want. You could wear the craziest makeup, the lightest makeup, you could do whatever. In the summertime, in the springtime, it starts to get too hot for that, so you can't cake it on. I'm just excited, you know. It's not hot outside, it's not cold either, but I just wanna get cute. I'm gonna use this Bomb AF palette. This is the Natasha Denona, but this is the bronze palette. How beautiful is this palette? I used it a couple times, but we're gonna dive in. Deep dive is one of the colors. This is such a pretty, like, the camera does no justice for it either. Like, it's way fire in real life. It better be. It was expensive. So let's get into it. Let's get to the fall looks. Do you guys like my braids? I love it. Every time I get braids, I try to do something different because I get bored. I don't know if you guys know, like, I get bored so fast and I don't know what it is. I'm trying to figure out why I'm just not normal. Why do I have to always switch it up? I like to switch it up but not go OD. I like to, like, still be comfortable but, like, switch it up, you know what I mean? But yeah. My mug, blessed beyond measures. I love this. It also says, pray big even when you feel small. I'm a mug girl, you guys. This is like, if I have a collection of anything, it's a collection of mugs. I'm a mug girl. When it's my birthday, if you don't know what to get me mugs or candles. Mugs and candles are my thing. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you have a collection of? That's gonna be the giveaway question. So if you guys don't know, there's a giveaway in every video for the rest of the year. So for this giveaway, I want you guys to comment down below, what do you have a collection of? Or if you don't have a collection of anything, just say I don't got a collection of anything. But I wanna know what you guys have a collection of. Mugs and candles are my thing. And if you guys don't know what I'm giving away, it's a whole, I have like so much makeup. I'm about to show you guys. Hold on. So this is a big basket filled with makeup and goodies, but no, it don't stop there. Oh my God. Here's another basket filled with makeup and goodies. And that's just the giveaway. So there's a whole bunch of good goodies, a lot of luxury beauty products, a lot of drugstore beauty products. If you guys want to win a box filled with beauty products, make sure you enter the giveaway. Check out the description box down below. Okay, let's get into the video. Hey, that was a lot. Those baskets are heavy. So I'm gonna start off with my face because I've been loving my foundation routine lately. I went to Tulum and it made me kind of switch it up because, honey, it was so humid there and I've never just sweat and like been oily, and it just produced so much oils in my face, and I never had that happen because I'm a dry skinned gal. You guys know this. If you don't know, I'm dry. So we're gonna do this routine that I've been doing, honey. So I'm gonna start off with my foundation. I've been using both of these foundations. This is the Giorgio Armani Neo Nude True to Skin and the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 360 and Fenty in 8.75 and Giorgio Armani. So I'm just gonna mix those two together on the back of my hand. I like how this one is kind of like a tinted foundation moisturizer, but it's a foundation. That's the Giorgio Armani. I love how they're both kind of just light. It's like not heavy on the skin and it's still hydrating. I still do need that hydration. I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have some breakouts coming in. I've been trying to get rid of them before they came, but guess not. It's okay. And I'm gonna use a Haley's sponge. I have been obsessed with this sponge. It's like, I'm not gonna show you it's better than a beauty blender, but it might be better than a beauty blender. I really like it, if not the exact same thing. I just feel like this is like the perfect coverage. It's not OD full, but it's not OD light. And it just looks like skin. Oh my goodness. And it's like my perfect shade. I mean, come on. I feel like I kind of gotta go around my edges. I got my hair done yesterday and she did like my edges super swirly. I asked her for this hairstyle. In the picture, the edges were swirly, but I don't think I want my edges swirly like that. But I love these braids. She did such a good job. Oh my goodness, my camera is dying. This is ridiculous. Who starts a tutorial and their batteries are dead? Let me go charge my camera batteries. I'll be back. Okay, this battery has 2 bars. Okay, well, that just means we have to hurry up. I kind of feel like We didn't have a summer this year. It wasn't hot enough, or we was inside. We was inside too much. I'm gonna lightly put foundation on my forehead, not too much at all. And then I wanna take a small brush, grab a little bit of foundation, because when you do your brows first, sometimes you'll have like a weird line. It's all good if the foundation ain't all the way on. Now I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty. I feel like Fenty Beauty has taken over my foundation routine, or just my like makeup. I'm taking Fenty Beauty Concealer in 440 just to contour. We definitely put this on the forehead to blend it in with our hair, and all goes out in our natural forehead. I need to wash my brushes. So I'm going to Atlanta tomorrow, and it probably seems like I've been traveling a lot, because I have. LA is just a scary place to be right now, like with the fires, the air, you can't breathe in. And then we just had a crazy earthquake the other day. It was super quick, but it was super strong. And surprisingly, like you guys know, last year, that big earthquake, I literally took a red eye and dipped because, honey, child, no. It was a whole 7.1 earthquake. I thought I was about to die, lose my life. So the other day, we had the earthquake and it was strong. I literally crawled out of bed. You guys from my apartment tour, you see that I have so many windows, and in my bedroom, there's windows all over. And I felt like the windows are gonna collapse. And I was like, what do? I've never had like earthquake drills growing up, because I didn't grow up in LA. We had like tornado drills and hurricane. Well, we didn't have earthquake drills. I'm like, what do I do? And I feel like you just never know with earthquakes. You don't know if it's gonna stop, if it's gonna get stronger, like what it's gonna do, how long it's gonna last. So I'm just like, I'm not trying to be in LA right now, just with everything going on, like the whole world. I'm gonna go to Atlanta, but I have some business to handle in Atlanta, so that's kind of why I'm really going. I've been loving this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. It's just been doing its job and covering, because I feel like my eyes were getting super dark and my dark circles were OD. And I don't know why, maybe it's because I was dehydrated, but my dark circles were OD. So I needed a super thick concealer, and this concealer is everything. All around my forehead. And then I'm gonna blend that out. Yeah, I blend everything else out and then under my eyes sit for a second. Look at my lip. This don't make no god dang. This is, some reason, I don't know if I'm the only one, but this year, my lips have been so dry. I need to do a lip care routine. So I'm gonna let that sit under my eyes for just a second. I'm gonna do my eyes after. Fall is near, fall is here. I just want my makeup to kind of so fire and fierce and beat. Look at that hair, just curled up. I like this concealer because it's matte. I feel like matte concealers under the eyes is the way to go. Hydrating concealers under my eye, honestly, like I'll do it, but it doesn't hit the same way. It depends on how dry my skin is at that time. If I'm suffering from super dry skin, I have to use a hydrating concealer, but my skin isn't like OD dry at that time and just parched, I can use a matte concealer. Or it just depends on if I'm going for a super like natural makeup look or not. I'm just gonna blend this out. I feel like blending makes the difference in whether my foundation or my makeup is gonna come out good or not. If I'm rushing, I feel like my blend game isn't the same. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Morphe palette. This is the highlight and contour palette. And so I'm gonna take Literati and I'm gonna use that to set under my eyes right now. So I'm gonna take this Sephora Pro Foundation brush, number 47, and I'm gonna take this brush, set under my eye. I feel like this isn't the perfect brush to set under your eyes, but it's working right now. Getting the job done. I'm gonna set any place on my face that creases with the pressed powder first. And then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier, the translucent powder, just a small amount, and press that into my skin. I'm not even prepared for fall. Like, where's my fall outfits? Like, I feel like fall just came out of nowhere and we wasn't ready, and I don't have any fall outfits. Anyone prepared? Then I'm gonna take this Sephora, the Pro Bronzer brush. I'm just using different brushes, you guys. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Okay, we're gonna come back to the face. Let's go to the eyes. We're gonna go in with the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. I'll start off with Ridge right here. I'm gonna start in this inner corner and go out towards the brow, just to give that eye a lifted look. I'm gonna go in towards my nose, make my nose look a little smaller as well. I'm gonna apply suntan as well. I feel like I want to switch what I was doing now. Teaira, stick to the plan, stick to the plan. This is such a pretty, I feel like browns look the best on me. I'm gonna take ridge again under here. I have so much on my mind. When I have so much on my mind, it's hard to like talk when I want to think about everything that's going on. When I be thinking, like, I just get into this thought process and I'm like thinking about so much, and I feel like I stretch myself out sometimes. Like sometimes my schedule be super smooth and then all I want, stretching myself out, like doing so much at one time. Stick to the plan, stick to the plan. I'm gonna take this deep dive. I don't even know, does it have glitter in it? This texture is a little different, but okay, I'm gonna take deep dive. It's like, I don't know if it has glitter in it or not, but I'm gonna take deep dive close to my waterline. And I'm just gonna blend those two in together so it seems seamless. All right, so I'm gonna line my eyes with deep dive, and I just want it to be super smudgy and no, not too precise. This has been my favorite recently. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this really quick because my camera keeps dying on me. I'm gonna take some Black Radiance contour palette just to contour. I'm gonna go back to my eyes in a second, but kind of just want to show you guys what I'm doing quickly. I'm gonna take the KKW Nude 2. Then I'm gonna take this Dose of Colors lipstick in Cork. It's a liquid matte lip. I haven't had a matte lip in so long. Okay, let's go back to the eyes because it's definitely not finished. It's not what I'm looking for. I want my lid to be a little lighter. I'm gonna take Beach. I feel like it's still warm, but it's lightening the lid just a bit. Yeah, blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown liner in Espresso ink and go in with my bottom waterline for some definition. I'm gonna take my Morphe blush palette and use MUA. Take my Morphe continuous setting mist. My mind is somewhere else today. I can't believe it. It's just like, I'm gonna take this MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter and apply that. Give me a second. I'll be back. I'm gonna tweak something because I feel like something is just missing and it's off. I don't know what it is yet. Maybe mascara. I don't know. I'll be back. These braids, a look, honey. This makeup, a look, honey. This outfit, a look. Put it on my. So we got the face beat. The hair is done. She is super long. The one thing I don't like about my hair is just the ends. I don't really like, I don't know, is it supposed to look like that? I've never had my braids look like this, so I feel like they're supposed to be a little more done. But anyways, that's besides the point. So this is my outfit right here. An outfit from the K label. It is Black owned brand. If you guys watched my vlog, was it my last vlog? I got another set from the K label. It was a different color, but I really love these sets. Super cute. And then I got these shoes. My piggies are very dry. So I got these shoes from The Row, and I really love how comfortable they are and how like short the heel is. It's super like wearable throughout the day. These are super cute. Really love these. And then I have this Givenchy bag. I have not worn this bag in years. It brings me back some memories. Super chill, super cute. Hey, how you doing? These ends, I'm gonna have to braid it, like finish braiding them. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. I feel like my ears are too exposed. It's so weird. So I really like this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. All the details will be in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.